Guys, we
We're
are
back
back.
again with another video, and this
And
time it is Mrs.
Mrs.
Green
Green
Apple
Apple.
on
Oh
live
my
on
god.
TBS CCTV.
I am.
So let's get going with the video and see what is it about and
Let's go,
how was the
guys.
performance and everything. I'm very excited. It's
Oh.
always it's whenever you see Mrs. Green Apple's performance, it's always a treat to the eye and
Yeah.
the ears, honestly, and it's always a package,
Yeah.
little whole package
Whole
deal.
package deal.
Wow. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. It's all black and kind of
Yeah.
shiny, glittery type. I like it. It's
Me
like a,
too.
it's like a, like, you know what? It's a pantsuit kind, not pantsuit. I'm saying wrong. Like track pant and track suit kind of
Yeah.
thing. It's kind of looking like
Like
that,
that.
and also it's glittery. So yeah, it's kind of cool. I like
I
it.
like it.
And also the
Me
way
too.
he's singing, the piercing,
Yeah, looks
the
good.
piercing in his eyes.
He's so
I
stylish.
will do that with eye glue, like eyelash glue. Sorry, eyelash glues are very, very adhesive, and it's very hard to remove without
Yeah.
makeup remover. So it's good, but I think it's real, or maybe not. Who cares? It looks good on him. Oh, the hand accessory. I'm noticing one by one all of them, and I'm loving
It's
it.
all about the fashion, guys.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh.
Oh, I love that hand accessory,
I
man.
love
It's
it.
kind of ring type of thing, but it's
I love
also
the
not a
vocal
ring.
and the performance, man. Intense.
And that's without any doubt. His vocal and performance are always top
Always
notch.
top
So
notch, yeah.
there's no doubt. Let's just talk about his fashion. Why not? While we are at it.
Yeah.
Oh my God! Wow.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Outstanding.
The way he's showcasing his hand
Yeah.
like this, bro.
So
I know you were
classy.
showcasing it. I know you were showcasing it. I know it.
So classy.
I would do that. I would do that too if I had one of those.
Yeah.
Ooh. Oh wow! It's not a suit. Like it's not a
Yeah.
pant.
Yeah.
It's kind of like a skirt, like palazzo type of thing.
Yeah.
Ooh!
Oh.
Wow! Ooh. Ah, I like it. Wow! I mean, anything
I
to
don't
say?
know. I don't know what to say actually. It's fab.
Wow!
What a energy, guys.
All of the musicians are going mad as well. He is literally showing off that. He
Yeah.
is literally showing that off like this,
Yeah.
holding the mic like this.
He
He's
loves
showing
this.
it off. I love it too.
Yeah.
But yeah, he's showing it off. I know it.
So cool. Ooh. Whoa. Amazing, guys.
I think that piercing is also for the looks. They used
Yeah.
eyelash glue.
Love this kind of
I
thing,
think
man.
that because it kind of looks not so real. Like if you
Yeah.
it in close-ups, like I saw the close-ups, it's kind of looking like there is no in between part. Like there's supposed to be a needle type of part which will go into it, and then we
Yeah.
like there is no needle type of part. You get it? Yeah, it's kind of like that, and there is no. Yeah, I think what I would have done,
Yeah.
he already did that.
Ooh.
Look, you get it now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
He got that.
Yeah, there is
Thing.
nothing in
Yeah.
between, I feel like. There is
Yeah,
nothing
it's
in
not
between.
piercing, I think.
It's not piercing, it's fake piercing, which I love. It's okay. You don't want to hurt yourself that bad here. because this is a very sensitive part, you know, it hurts a lot. So it's fine. I would do that too. Any day. Take it.
I don't have any.
Ooh.
So good.
Oh. When I will go in my villain era,
Yeah.
trust me, I will wear those within all of my finger and I will do this all the time because villains are cool. Fashionably,
Yeah.
villains are
Are
the
the
coolest.
coolest.
Ooh. Ah, 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 ah.
So good.
Ooh, ooh.
Ooh.
Wow,
Love it.
seriously do love it.
Woo!
Oh my god.
What a performance,
Oh my
guys.
god.
This is fabulous. This
Yeah.
is mind blowing.
I love it.
Yeah. What a performance by Mrs. Green Apple. Love it.
Seriously,
Yeah.
for a fact, he's a star
Yeah.
and he knows it.
Star.
So it was amazing performance, amazing song, amazing everything, amazing dressing sense. Most of all, I love that.
Yeah, me
Sorry,
too.
not the
Not the
thing,
piercing, but
but I
that.
love the
Yeah.
you know, hand thing and accessory. Yeah,
I will, I will,
I would
I
try
will
to
buy
buy.
today. I
Yeah,
will buy today.
I'll try to buy it. I
Yeah.
have been looking for those for a long time. But anyway, we're talking
We
about
are
the
going
song.
shopping today, so we'll buy the
Maybe.
thing. You know,
Maybe.
not maybe. It's, I
Maybe.
will because I have nothing to wear, so I'm gonna wear something.
Wear your engagement ring or your whatever, guys. We'll see in the next video. Until then, you can watch our